What are the basic legal requirements needed to start a business? Let's cash in.
Finance for the everyday millennial. Hard charging solutions. We provide an accelerant in the journey towards financial independence.
Welcome back to RINO Invest, the financial library for young professionals. Starting a new business can be tough. One part that is particularly complicated is dealing with all the legal implications. Today, I'll take you through the basic legal requirements you need to start a business. But before we dive in, if you want to get a handle on your personal finances, open an account with RINO Invest today. By opening a Club RINO Plus account, you will have access to a wealth of resources for financial success. From a net worth tracker to checklists, handouts, our reading list, courses, an educational portal, and a forum to speak with other RINOs. Go down to the description of this video and click on the Open an Account link. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. It really helps us continue to deliver awesome content like this. All right, the first legal requirement you need to meet when starting a business is designating the proper business structure. This decision will affect many things, including your personal liability and what you'll pay in taxes. The possible structures you have to choose from are a sole proprietorship, a general or limited partnership, a limited liability company or LLC, an S corporation, or a C corporation. Each of these comes with their own set of advantages and disadvantages. Many small businesses start as a sole proprietorship or partnership due to the limited paperwork and setup time necessary. As you grow your business, a corporation or LLC may be the better choice. Once you've decided on a structure, officially designate it through your Secretary of State. Next up, you'll want to register your business's name. If you're a sole proprietor, you'll register your name with your state as a doing business as or DBA name. If you don't do this, the business name will default to the owner's legal name. This registration doesn't provide trademark protection, so depending on your business, you may want to consider trademarking to provide stronger protection for your brand. If you're filing as an entity, like an LLC, S corporation, or C corporation, you'll need to file a name for your company with your state. If you're operating as a corporation or a partnership or have employees, you are required to get an employer identification number or EIN from the IRS. If you want to learn more about the IRS, click the link you see on your screen now. Your EIN will identify your business for tax purposes. You are not required to obtain one for a sole proprietorship or a single member LLC. You still may want to consider getting one. Doing this will create separation between your business and your personal liability and shield your social security number from being on business documents. Once you've done all that, it's time to make sure your business permits and licenses are in order. The specifics will depend on your industry and location of your work, but you will need to apply for business licenses and permits at the federal, state, or local government levels. Some examples you may encounter include building permits, health and safety related permits, fire permits, liquor licenses, and plenty more. Now that you've got your entity type, business name, EIN, and permits, you need to get prepared to pay business taxes. Business owners are required to pay taxes such as income tax, self-employment tax, and sales taxes. How your business is structured will determine which types of taxes you're required to pay. And don't expect to wait until April. Businesses are required to pay taxes on a pay-as-you-go basis. You should also plan to open a bank account for your business. From a legal standpoint, it's important that you separate your personal and business finances. You'll also want a plan that will make sure that you are in compliance with a host of laws. Even if you're a small business, you'll be subject to some of the same laws and regulations as large corporations. These run the gamut from marketing to finance to advertising and intellectual property. For example, most places require that you record all business transactions according to a specific accounting method. So make sure to have a proper system of accounting ready to go. If you're the founder of an LLC, C corporation, or partnership, be aware that you're subject to federal and state securities laws. Also make sure you aren't classifying your employees, basically whether they're an independent contractor or a typical employee, incorrectly. And in most states, you're also legally required to purchase workers' compensation insurance. If marketing is a big part of your business, you want to make sure that any email campaigns you have planned also follow proper regulations. Finally, while only some types of insurance like unemployment and disability insurance are required by law, it can be a good idea to purchase further business insurance to protect your business and yourself from potential risks. Once again, the specifics will depend on your business, but some examples include general liability insurance, errors and omissions insurance, and product liability insurance. As you can probably see, the legal requirements for starting a business can pile up fast. Luckily, if you're thinking about starting a business, RINO Invest is here to help. Our Start a Business course can teach you the mechanics of starting a business, from human resources to legal structures to tax strategy to operations management. To learn more, click the Start a Business link in the description of this video. Subscribe to this channel to see more of our content and click the bell icon to receive a notification when a new video is published. Until next time, thank you for watching, and this is Cassian reminding you to seek real education, invest in performing assets, get rid of bad debt, and engage in oversight of those assets.